Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from htmltim.com here. In this video, I want to discuss how to remove line numbers and tabs from the Pulsar Text editor. So right now I've got a file open, and this is a file with some math equations in it. Now I'm a high school math teacher, so I might be doing some YouTube videos on another channel about solving math problems, and I wanted to use Pulsar to do it. So I could go through and I could say, well, I've got to take this first one and subtract 7 from both sides, and then I get x equals 3 and kind of show people how to do it using this editor, which is all great, except for I've got these line numbers on the side, which are great for programming, but not so great for a presentation where I'm just going through math problems. I've also got the tab on the top, which again is great for switching between files, but not so great for a presentation. Well, it's easy to remove those. So I'm going to bring up the settings with Control comma, and I'm going to go to editor here. And first I'm going to get rid of the line number. So if I scroll on down, you'll see show line numbers. I'm just going to uncheck that. So if I go back to my first tab here, line numbers are gone. Pretty sweet. And I'm going to go to packages here, and I'll get rid of the tabs by just searching for tab. And I see tabs here. I'm going to disable the tabs, and the tabs have gone away. And also I'll probably disable the status bar as well, because that'll give me more room. Now I can switch back to my previous file. That's the first tab, by just using Alt-1. And then if I want to go back to settings and bring back up the tabs, I can do Alt-2 and then just enable the tabs, which are here. And if I want to bring the status bar, I can enable it here. And bring the line numbers back real easy. So yeah, easy way to get rid of line numbers and tabs in the Pulsar Text editor. If you like this video, please give it a like. And if you want more videos on the Pulsar Text editor, my channel has a lot, so consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.